and welcome to the Van Air Training Center. I'm Jeremy Pine, Van Air's Service and Training Manager. Today we'll discuss troubleshooting for the Goodall Start.All 12-volt 4,000, 5,000, and 10,000 amp jump packs. The following procedures are done on the jump pack unit alone and not while the unit is connected to a vehicle. We will then provide steps to troubleshoot the unit while attempting to start your vehicle. First, we'll demonstrate the standard charging procedure that should be used for all Start.All jump packs. With the jump pack turned off, plug the charger into the charging port. Make sure you're using the charging port labeled 18 volts 2 amps, which is the one on the left side of the pack, or the right side as you face it. Once plugged in, check the display. You should see a charge percentage and the IN will begin to flash while the unit is charging. Continue to let the jump pack charge for 6 to 8 hours or until the IN stops flashing. The IN will stop flashing but remain on, and the charge level will show 100% when charging is complete. If the display does not reach 100% when finished charging and the IN has stopped flashing, you may need to recalibrate the pack. Recalibrating the pack is simple and easy. While still plugged into the charger, turn the jump pack on. You should see the display percentage begin to climb and the display should recalibrate and read 100%. If the display still does not show 100%, leave the pack plugged in for 15 to 20 minutes to see if the display percentage increases. If the display still does not read 100%, measure the voltage of the unit with a voltmeter. Place the positive probe of the voltmeter on the red clamp and the negative probe of the voltmeter inside the 12-volt auxiliary port. If the voltage is above 16.4 volts, the unit's battery is fully charged. Please note that the jump pack is designed to maximize the life expectancy of the battery, but there are several conditions that can affect the health and longevity of the battery. These include, but are not limited to, age, the temperature of the unit, how heavily the jump pack has been used or handled, as well as other factors. These conditions may affect the maximum charge percentage that will display. If your jump pack does not turn on, press the output button and turn on the power switch. This will reset the jump pack if the unit is in sleep mode. Your unit should turn on now. If it does not turn on, leave the jump pack on and turn on the charger. The display should show a charge percentage. If the display turns on when the unit is plugged in, but turns off when the jump pack is unplugged, reinsert the charger and wait for 10 minutes to see if the charge level or percentage increases. If the charge level does not increase, or if the display does not turn on, disconnect the charger from the jump pack. Check the output of the charger by using a voltmeter and placing the positive probe inside the connector with the negative probe on the outside. Your charger should measure approximately 18 volts. If the jump pack will not charge or turn on after 10 minutes, or if your charger does not measure 18 volts, contact the Van Air service department for further instructions. While charging the jump pack, you should see a flashing IN on the display. When the jump pack is fully charged, the IN will stop flashing but remain on or illuminated. If the IN has stopped flashing and remains on, but the display does not show 100%, you will need to recalibrate the display. If the IN is flashing, but the jump pack's battery percentage does not increase or reach 100%, you will need to recalibrate the display. If recalibration does not resolve the problem, check your charger for output and to ensure you are using the correct charger for the pack. The correct charger should measure approximately 18 volts. If it does not measure 18 volts, contact Van Air to order a replacement charger. If the problem persists, contact the Van Air service department for further instructions. In the event that your Start.All jump pack continues to give you the alternating green and red 8s but will not connect, there is a simple field test that you can conduct to see if the problem is with the jump pack itself. This is completed with the jump pack alone and is not conducted while you're hooked up to the vehicle. Ensure that you use extreme caution when conducting this field test. You will manually activate the pack to check functionality, which will disable all of the safeties. Turn on the jump pack and check the battery display percentage. Now remove the red clamp from the jump pack, ensuring that you're not in contact with the metallic portion and that is not touching anything metal or anything that is conductive. The red and green 8s should begin to flash. Now press and hold the output button for 3 seconds to activate the pack through manual activation. You should receive a solid green 8. This means the jump pack is operating correctly. Now switch the pack off. At this point, you would ensure that you have correct connections when hooking up to the vehicle and that the battery is viable. If you receive a red 8 with this test, contact the Van Service Department for further instructions. Now we'll turn it over to David Laniger, Van Air's lead trainer. He will walk you through the troubleshooting steps for your Start.All jump pack while it's connected to the vehicle.
Thank you, Jeremy. Now we're going to take this and hook it up to a truck to troubleshoot this on your vehicle. The following step-by-step instructions are for troubleshooting the Goodall Start.All jump pack 12 volt 4000, 5000, and 10,000 amp units while attempting to start the vehicle. Note: the Start.All jump pack is a tool for assisting in the starting of vehicles. The unit is not a 12 volt battery charger and must not be used as such. When using your Goodall Start.All jump pack, please ensure that you turn the jump pack on before you connect the jump pack to the vehicle's battery. When your jump pack is connected to a battery, it will display alternating red and green 8s. This means the jump pack is working and is actively searching for a current draw from the target battery. When you see a solid green 8, this means that the jump pack is activated and you may attempt to start the vehicle. If the jump pack shows flashing red and green 8s but will not activate, turn off the jump pack and check the jump pack's clamps connection to make sure it is connected to the vehicle's battery and is free of paint, grease, dirt, or corrosion. Turn the vehicle ignition switch to the accessory ACC position and turn the headlights or blower motor on. Turn the jump pack on and attempt to connect again. If the steps provided here do not resolve the issue, you may attempt to start the vehicle using the manual activation mode. If your jump pack displays a solid red 8 with a beep, this means an error has occurred. Check your connections to ensure that they are correct. The red clamp connected to the positive terminal and the black clamp connected to the negative terminal. If connections are correct, turn your jump pack on and attempt again. If this occurs again, turn off your jump pack. Remove your red positive clamp, ensuring that it is not touching the metal or other clamp. Switch the jump pack on with the positive clamp disconnected. If you receive another red 8 immediately after turning on your jump pack, this indicates an internal error with the jump pack. Shut off and disconnect the jump pack, then contact the Van Air Service Department for further instructions. If the jump pack shuts off while cranking, it may be due to one of the following reasons. The jump pack internal temperature is too cold. Warm the jump pack up and attempt to use the jump pack again. The jump pack internal temperature is too hot. If multiple jump attempts are conducted in quick succession, or if the pack is in extreme heat, the battery may be too hot to safely use. Allow the jump pack to cool down for 15 to 20 minutes before making another crank attempt. The jump pack battery is too low to start the vehicle. Charge the jump pack fully using the standard charging procedure. When the jump pack is fully charged, attempt to start the vehicle. If you have conducted the previous troubleshooting steps and the problem persists, shut off and disconnect the jump pack, then contact the Van Air Service Department for further instructions. If strong arcing occurs while attempting to connect the clamps to a battery, stop. Do not continue to make the connection. With the jump pack turned off, perform an amperage test. Attach the jump pack cables to a good 12 volt battery. Ensure proper polarity with the cables. Attach a DC clamp-on ammeter to one of the jump pack cables. You should read no current on the meter. If there is current, immediately disconnect the jump pack, then contact the Van Air Service Department for further instructions. If the clamps or cables are damaged, this can result in a number of connection errors. Replace the clamps with Van Air OEM part number 14-450 replacement clamp set. If your cables are damaged, the unit can be returned for new cable replacement. The manual activation for low voltage batteries procedure. The Start.All jump pack is designed to jumpstart 12 volt DC lead acid or AGM batteries at very low voltage. However, if your vehicle battery is too low or unable to take a charge, the jump pack will display alternating red and green 8s. This is an indication that the jump pack cannot detect the vehicle's battery. If you need to jumpstart a battery in this condition and previous troubleshooting steps did not work, Use the following procedure for manual activation. Use this mode with extreme care. Also be aware that all safety features are disabled with manual activation. Ensure your cable connections are correct before using this feature. Do not allow the jump pack's battery clamps to connect or touch one another. If you are unsure about using this feature, do not attempt without first contacting Vanair's service department for professional help. To use the manual activation feature, connect the jump pack's clamps to the vehicle battery. Turn the jump pack on. Press and hold the output 12-volt button for 3 seconds. A solid green 8 will indicate that you have successfully entered the manual activation mode and are ready to jumpstart the vehicle. If the pack displays a red 8 while using the activation feature, shut off and disconnect the jump pack, then contact the Vanair service department. The new Start.All 12-volt 10,000 amp jump pack has been improved and now includes an LED display with error codes associated with the operation of the unit. If you receive an error code, refer to the decal on the bottom of your pack or the table in your user manual for a brief explanation of each error code. Note that a typical error indicator for the earlier 4,000, 5,000, and 10,000 amp units is a solid red number 8 displayed on the LED display screen accompanied by a loud beep. The error could be any one or more of the following issues listed here. E1, reverse polarity detected. This means that the clamps were attached incorrectly to the battery. Turn off the jump pack and check the clamps to ensure that the red clamp is connected to the positive post on the battery and the black clamp is connected to the negative post on the battery. Once correct, re-attempt to use the jump pack. E2, timed out. Once connected to a battery and activated, the jump pack will stay engaged for 45 seconds. After 45 seconds of activation, this error will be displayed. Switch off the jump pack, then turn it back on to reset the timer. Remember, this is not a charger, it's a jump pack. E3, high internal temperature detected. This means that high internal battery temperature has been detected and the jump pack will need to cool down before it can be used again. High temp will also prevent the jump pack from charging. Allow the jump pack to cool down for 15 to 20 minutes before making another crank attempt. E4, low temperature detected. This code will display that the internal jump pack temperature is below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This will not prevent the use of the jump pack, but only indicates that due to the low battery temperature, performance will be reduced, or in extreme cases, the jump pack may shut off during the crank attempt. If the jump pack shuts off, turn the rocker switch off and then back on, and then press the activation button. E5, high current detected. You will receive an E5 error when the jump pack senses a current higher than the safe upper current threshold. This can occur if the engine is too large, in extreme cold conditions, if you have a faulty starter, bad vehicle batteries, or some other problem that may be causing abnormally high current draw. If you receive this error, turn off your jump pack, then turn it back on and try again. If this error occurs repeatedly on subsequent crank attempts, attempt to charge the battery using a standard 12-volt battery charger, not the jump pack. If necessary, replace the target vehicle batteries. E6, low current. This error is displayed when the jump pack is activated and then detects a significant current drop. Check the clamps to see if they are still attached to the battery and have a clean connection free of paint, grease, dirt, or corrosion. If the error is still present, or the jump pack is still showing red and green flashing 8s, turn on the headlights or blower motor. This will create a voltage draw to assist the jump pack in making a connection. If that does not resolve the error, manual activation may be used. Shut off and disconnect the jump pack, then refer to your user manual for all warnings and instructions. E7, short circuit detected. Turn off the jump pack and check the clamps and verify that they are connected to the battery correctly. The clamps are not touching each other or connected to two grounding studs. If all connections are correct and you still receive this error, shut off and disconnect the jump pack, then contact the Vanair service department for further instructions. Unit does not activate. This is displayed when the jump pack detects an internal defect or damage. If this occurs, shut off and disconnect the jump pack, then contact the Vanair service department for further instructions.
Thank you for watching. We hope that this video has been informative and helpful for you. For more information on this and other Vanair products, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and on Facebook. You can also visit us on our website at vanair.com or contact us toll-free at 1-800-526-8817.